got a lot of stuff that we are showcasing here at Vision 2024. And one of the first things that we can talk about is anomaly detection, deep learning anomaly detection, which actually is a way of easy applications in quality inspection by deep learning images into a database, create an algorithm out of it that actually allows you to quickly see defects on the products. And anomaly detection means that when we look to this application over here, is that we train in all kind of good images and bad images, and the algorithm itself decides then what defects are on the products. And then actually we can see that over here in our demo, the defects are shown on the right, where you see something from which is different than in the good images. And this is a PC-based solution using our Vision Studio. And we actually also ported over into our smart camera, so we can do that as well on smart camera-based products. The other topic that I would like to show you, and that's over there, is actually our new 3D cameras. So we introduced recently our snapshot 3D camera, which is the 3S80 and the 3S40 cameras. And one of the benefits of this 3D camera is that it actually can grab a 3D image while the parts are moving. So as you can see, the parts are moving. While the parts are moving, the camera grabs an image and it creates the point cloud. And with our software called Aurora Design Assistant, we actually can capture the beads on the product and the defects that are there. Yeah. So this is really for products that are moving a little bit larger. We actually can do that up to a pallet size product, so for dimensioning. But if we want to do something more accurate, we actually move over here to our new Altis 4200, which we actually released today, which is a new camera with a high resolution laser that is capable of creating a 3D point cloud. And actually, you see we have two of them. We are able to stitch the point clouds together so that you get actually a better view from all sides around the part. Yeah? And I do want to go back to deep learning. So we are going around the corner to OCR, something that we actually introduced last year, our new OCR algorithm. And it's currently the best OCR algorithm, I think, available on the market. And it's available, as we can see on the left side, on PC-based solution, where we do OCR reading on metal parts, and actually it can be any part. So we actually train in over 20,000 fonts to be able to read text out of the box. So no learning on the job when you put the application in the field. Going from PC-based, we actually moved it over to a new platform, which is called the FS42, which is a smart camera with a NPU processor inside, which actually speeds up applications in smart cameras. And what you can see here is all kind of different products. And the inspection time is 40 milliseconds. 40 milliseconds for like 10, 15 charges, which is actually really, really fast for a smart camera. So I would say come over to our booth here in Vision Stuttgart and see our great products.